Langisho aneva ulibamba intwana. Yeah.
Imavulayo futhi.
Mara, you started crying and say, when I and here
Okay,
there you go.
welcome back everybody. This is Kamta in the building with the one and only Poppy. I'm back in your faces like I never left, darling. It's a Maluma Salty, the DJ. We are going to soul sessioning today. Yeah. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and hit that what? Notification bell. Ding, ding, ding.
Sanbonani Dumelang Abusheni. Hello, this is me, your man Salty. I agree with the Catholic DJ.
Yeah,
welcome to Scamto podcast. Kajeko, it's Sunday, and we just decided to remember Mang Poppy, and we've got our Spoko. We don't call her Spoko, okay? Not ghost, ne?
Nah.
Spoko. I think I'm going to make GR Aquate Arne Ramukopa Rumukopi Renarna Spoko make. Anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show today. Naloena, Rodula Fase, Ratota, and Hopola, Ratota Mototo, and Gavato Tobacco. So we normally don't talk about you. And
we talk about your news. And remember, everything we say here is what? Alleged.
It's allegedly. So whatever we say, if we feel somehow, we're sorry. You understand?
I'm not sorry.
What?
Why should I be sorry?
That's all that.
I'm like very messy. It's there. Which feet?
So well, sit back, relax, enjoy, and bona. And it's so very sad.
Very heartbreaking.
It's so very heartbreaking. Now I don't know. Like I usually spoke. I usually don't know because Rena as Majida, Rena as guys. If we need to have sex,
I think
we must go by.
Simple.
You understand? It's so like we're going back to that case here.
Yeah.
You understand? The Kwekwe story seems similar as what's happening now
on the blogs
and what's trending actually.
Apparently it happened in Eastern Cape. Between Thursday and Friday, because I got the headlines on Friday and the video, and what I saw there was shocking. A full-grown man raping a child in the car. So sad.
Imagine.
And it was
no, it's fine. No, it's not nice because guys, narmajita 50 rand affair. He had, you know what?
50 rand it's even a lot. If you go to Anderson Street right now in Joburg, it's 30 rands or 20.
This is what I'm saying. It's so sad because he had money to pour petrol. I drive a go scanning. Do
you think that's his child though? Not so it was like a dad and daughter type of trip, and Mugai was like, you know what?
I think maybe next door.
Maybe his stepdaughter.
Maybe his stepdaughter. Do you think? So what you trying to tell me, Hore? A lot of incidents so on
stepchildren. It happens.
Serious?
A lot. Even my.
No. Say it. Yeah, no.
Even my boyfriend,
my
boyfriend, he's afraid because he has a daughter, and he's like, if I were to lose the children and my girlfriend is supposed to marry another nigga, I wouldn't be happy. I prefer if they are with me at the moment. So you're gonna have to deal with the fact of she has children and they are both daughters, and I don't want another dude raising my daughters because children get raped every day. We have a new dilemma of children getting raped.
So Hantlantla, you saying in that way, Hore, parents must not
don't give away your children, especially if they are girls. Don't give them away.
So let me ask you a question. What if you fell in love with me? Understand? Then you've got
children,
a daughter,
with another man.
With another nigga.
You know what I prefer? I prefer if my daughter was to remain with the biological father, then I can galavant however I want.
So what if you're not in a good or the way they
Talking
separate
terms.
with the father.
But
Or the father, let me just say, the father died.
The father
Then
died.
what's going to happen?
Then if you don't love my daughter and if you have sexual thoughts about my daughter, ngicela uhlukane nami as it is at the moment. Ongcono, I would rather take my child ngimise ekhaya ayokhulela khona. You remember last time I was telling you ukuthi my children bazokhulela kuphi? Emakhaya, where there won't be any harm brought on them.
But I know for me that is the cause.
Oh,
Yeah, I wonder it's a problem. Now it becomes a problem because we don't know. You don't know where to take your kid.
But it's not always like that. I was raised by
Mhm.
from the age of 9 years.
Yeah.
And he was a good father.
Mhm.
I mean, from the age like from birth, let's say from birth, I was raised by my grandfather,
Mhm.
and then I learned to say Baba.
To the grandfather. Mhm.
Oh.
No,
Oh.
to that man
Mhm.
who raised me from the age of.
Mhm.
And I never had a problem. Like nothing happened. That was the time when we started, like I started being alert of abuse and
Yeah.
sexual
Can you use the mic?
Can you use the
take-
mic?
Yeah, can you use the mic? Yeah,
I understand.
yeah.
So around that time, yeah, that was when I started being alert of religion.
Mm.
And he was my stepfather, and till now, I still acknowledge him as my dad. He passed away in
Mhm.
2018,
hmm
and he has been the not really the best father, but
The best
he,
father
he,
ever,
he
ne?
was,
Yeah.
he was a good man.
Yeah.
He
But
was a good
sometimes even blood is not always thicker than
Yeah.
water. You can have a
So-
family outside.
You know,
It's not
you know.
always the stepfathers who do that.
Yeah.
Even the biological fathers.
And brothers, yeah, they do
Yes.
do that.
You know what I love? The topic we are having. The topic we are having today. It's and Spoko. You know, I love the fact that we've got teachers as our answer. So my question is that: do you quietly teach the kids Koskolong about maybe someone like how do you
Sexual intercourse.
sexual intercourse or a child to say something if she has a father elorong tacha and so on and so on. Understand? Do you quietly teach your kids that or King is just
It's there. Now I teach grade 4's
Mm.
life skills.
Mm.
It's there in the curriculum.
Mm. Mm.
First term.
Mm.
We teach them about their bodies.
Mhm.
We teach them about they should know their private parts,
Mhm. Mhm.
and we teach them who should touch those parts.
Okay.
Only you are supposed to touch those parts, or maybe your mom if she
Washes you.
washes your body. And then anybody else, we teach them the right touches and the bad touches.
Mm. Mm.
So kids should know the bad touches and the good touches.
Mhm.
And if they feel uncomfortable, whether we think maybe it's a good touch, but if he or she feels this is a bad touch, they should report it to an adult
Mhm.
and not the adult who touched them. And
They're wrong.
Yeah.
Mm.
So it's there. It starts from
From the school.
Foundation, yeah.
What they should know.
So
This one.
meaning, have you heard even Governor, this case we are facing now that's trending?
Yeah.
Even the Kwekwe story, they say
No arrests have been
allegedly-
made at the moment.
allegedly the case has been dropped
Yeah.
because they can't get any
Any suspects.
suspects or
Mhm.
anything.
And-
so
and-
I'm thinking this. I'm thinking this
It's
comes from
one of the students.
the student who's older than her, maybe grade 7th. It
could be. It could
because
be like, yeah.
now they are looking at older people like Principal, Malome, and they've investigated that, but
Mhm.
they can't get anything. But we've got these grade 7s, these kids, Bano, Bahola ka speed.
And then they see things.
They see things.
They want to deal with the children.
I think if they can search from the grade 7s and stuff.
There will be similarities.
And now the problem is that What is Twekwe saying? I'm worried about. She can talk.
You know, a
She
voice.
know who.
Listen, a voice of a child, ne? A voice of a child. It's so innocent, but sometimes children are not always believed in what they say. Because yazi umuntu umntana esekazi, you know, ukuthi alo hlizaqamamanga, this and this and this and that. Umntana vele akaneqiniso, you know.
No,
Children
it depends.
sometimes are raised like that.
It depends because when I grew up, barangwana abulele maka.
Yeah, that's true. Ngwana ha bolele maka.
A child would lie and say, Papa nana le motho, where else nas na motho, but the parents will always believe for it. Ngwana ka se bolele maka, a ka
Like
say-
my dad.
a ka say to me,
Whatever you do in the house and my brother is present. The minute they figure, I'm telling this happened. They're like, you are lying. Why are you lying?
But you can, a kid. So
A kid never
I'm worried.
lies.
How old was she? How old is she?
Also minus 7 or 8.
She can talk.
She's very young.
I think she can talk. So maybe let's give her time. Manyako Musako, this
Therapy,
counseling and what. She will. She's
She's
the only
definitely gonna
person.
say something.
Otlo
Yeah.
appoint her.
Okay, this
This
is
is
the
what
person that
happened.
was touching me and my private.
You understand?
moments.
Now we've got another case in Eastern Cape.
Like it's so sad, and the cries of that child, because I mean, I was literally heartbroken, and I was like,
It's trending, guys. You should watch it it's on Facebook.
he's on Facebook.
They
and,
get this old man, come on,
something.
to this big dick. Ngwana
Is it big
Salomon.
though?
Fongwana, yes.
Fongwana.
Yeah, someone is,
The
but
one in the car.
yeah.
Oh, I saw it yesterday.
You understand?
Oh, and your nation.
It's heartbreaking. And he is fighting umuntu. I'm telling you, whatever you're doing, my nigga, is wrong. I'm Luis and I'm post, you know. But he's talking your phone.
He's the one who's doing
Yeah, the child is crying. It's so sad. The thing is, I feel like people tend to underestimate the power of the internet, the power of South African police. They tend to underestimate the power of our government, you know. And when things like this, because this is straight rape, Lamtana lawyer is traumatized. And if you could look clearly there in the video, you can tell Obalomuntula has already penetrated because there was blood there on the seats. And I'm like, what's wrong with South Africans?
Mara,
What's
I
wrong?
who's stupid that guy? Well, we are still going through this case and stuff. But Lena, maybe I don't think he's from South Africa.
He's not from South Africa. I feel like he's from Zim.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
because
like
the tongue
Mozambican
there
and Zim.
it's not South
Yeah,
African.
the tongue, ungari shooty, something like that. But now it's a problem. So then, asingwana hai, ke makhelwane, or utere ngwana makhelwane.
Yeah.
And maybe it's not the first time, or maybe it's not the first kid.
So how many victims has he had? Yeah. And which means that is the always usual traveled route that he usually goes to.
Yeah, we
And
understand.
unfortunately, this time Bamo Bakri.
What do you think they must do with people like this?
Castrate, hang, same time. Castrate that thing and hang them. They don't know how to use it. Castrate them. Let them have no pennies.
And even the fingers.
Because it's going to be
But
a
that's
problem if they do like that. And then now, Nali, we've got a lot of people we saying who have been claimed to be raped, ba go jail for mahal. So how can claim or go rape and claim or go rape?
No.
And then they'll
You're not
always
supposed to
castrate
prove.
me.
I can't say there's proof. There's DNA testing. There's like they measure your size of your penis and the size of
The problem of our government now. They leave people like that. Bona ba bo rape bana. Baya ba tseya di innocent ngwanyana tswa mabialeng o robetse le boyfriend ya mo fa 200 or report or own rape. They
Mavosa, Papa,
they are too fast to
answer to rape.
to that kind of.
The problem is with our South African police and
The system
justice system.
Yeah.
If ingahambanga kahle from
The beginning.
South African police, or sometimes it goes well from there, and then my figure up, and somebody buys a case. I know in my experience, it doesn't have to do with but it has. I had a case, and then Anisha from.
So you open the case for someone.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then Ivanishile. How we don't know, because it came from now. And then you go and ask the captain what happened. They don't know. If the captain doesn't know, the police operated a case. What's that? If you know, no.
Yeah.
Yeah. From
Inside.
yes. So nama case when I call lapho. It's either athengwa from a police station or athengwa myself.
Yeah.
So if we can have a justice system right, it's those of us sharp. And we cannot guarantee that because people are people.
Yeah.
People
Yeah, no, they all want to chow on top of the money. Phela money talks, but it's bad.
Money talks,
It's
mara
bad.
ngelona yomunye umuntu negazi lomunye umuntu.
Yeah.
What do you think nge-future yalo mntana lo?
Inyembezi. You know, Ikazi, it's something inyembezi.
She's younger than, maybe she's 7 years old.
Yeah.
And then masera traumatized at this age. Uyokhula umntana onjani from now on.
It's so sad.
It's so sad, ne?
She can abuse kids abezemva kwakhe or laba afunda nabo. That's what happened.
Umuntu simbona ukuthi this child is corrupt, but we don't see the background of what happened in their early childhood.
Yeah, no.
People are naive at this thing.
Now it's already stigma. You know, you can get raped at a young age, and more figure around the age of 50, you get raped again and again, and it never stops. So that stigma, so the bad cloud all over you, and I'm like, God.
And some of them, even if that thing, about rape over and over, but they rape other kids.
Other kids,
they
yeah.
This is the right.
This is
thing
normal.
to do.
Yeah.
This is normal. I should do it. Other kids.
Yeah, this is where it comes a problem because if they leave people like this, or and so on, understand? They'll keep on doing that.
Yeah.
Smart and so on. Understand? Yeah. So it's a problem. It's giving a bad fight because guys, I'm disappointed, especially in men.
Red flag.
We've got a hand. I mean, no, if you can't do anything, use your hand.
Use your hand. And if you're broke, you can go to the Mahosha and be like, tomorrow morning, 40 ranta. You already know what it is.
So what makes you think, Kore?
It's fine to rape a young child. It's fine to rape and innocent bangwana.
Just imagine, it's so little, it's tiny, it's small. Like for kids.
It is. You know the pelvis, ne? The pelvis and the hernia in children, it's not fully developed until you reach age 15 in women. But in men, your private part is developed until the age of 13. That's when you stop developing. Science says so. But the hernia in women, it stops developing at the age of 15. So basically, the minute you rape a child at the age of 7, you're basically destroying that child's womb, the vagina, the passageway, the cervix. You're just demolishing it.
Possibility,
That's why some of them end up
abantwana, because that part
since future ya ngwana,
that part in women is
sensitive.
Very sensitive. Very. That's why it's advised when you start having sex, start at the age of 16 and 17. Because then you are strong, you can handle the pressure.
But like we've got kids. Like I've seen a story, she's 14. 12, ne?
Last year December, there's a 12-year-old who gave birth.
Yeah.
Imagine. So she became pregnant at 11. Imagine. That's so sad.
Rape.
You see.
It's a rape.
No, some parents
they agree. Never.
What?
Cliff. Before the age of 16, I kick you out of my house. I don't care what to pelele. You don't bring a baby in my house. I didn't give my mom a baby.
Some parents don't even investigate to what happened.
They don't care. They just accept the child and she thought on a pay.
Like,
What?
The baby daddy, una 17 years and upwards. They
no,
don't
no.
Avela bathatha umntwana. No, it's fine. It happened. So
Yeah, because whether the child was raped or it was consensual, they don't.
There's this
No, I would
one
care.
on TikTok. She even made the baby shower for that. When I was high, she's a minor. She gave birth. When the baby shower and everything means that I'm
On a push.
Yeah, I'm to whatever age I can go on a high.
I'm just imagining a 12 year
And then what's about a baby daddy? Well, how many years?
Obviously, it's don't move.
Like a child right now, at the age of 16, this child is getting married at the age of 16, and I'm like, darling, uzothola nini isikhathi sokuthi uhambe uyogroova, be a child nentanga zakho, and then he's getting married. I'm sure lo muntu amshadayo intanga kasothi umuntu amshadayo
Namang.
Xhosa, and I'm like, what is South African culture?
Sorry to say that, but you said what? Which culture?
Xhosa.
Okay, no.
I don't know.
No, I'm not saying anything.
Don't even think about my man.
No.
Don't even think about my man. My man Xhosa. Don't even do that.
No, I'm not saying
Don't
anything.
give me that look.
I'm not saying
No, we're
anything.
not judging tribes, Mara.
I mean, I
As
judge.
a parent,
How do you
Your
let your
child.
16-year-old get married
Your
nomuntu olingana nomkhulu
And
wakhe
it's Xhosa. I get it.
omalume?
It's Xhosa. I get it.
Xhosa.
So even the incident here now, the recent incident happened in Eastern Cape.
Cape.
So, but now they think it's a good thing, maybe that side, Tori, to marry a child.
To marrying a child, it's proper. Raping a child, no.
It all starts there.
Mara, even
No.
marrying a child.
Even marrying a
How
child
does
is
he
like
marry that
blowing.
child? He's still gonna sleep with that child.
Yeah.
16, 15.
She's still at school.
Santayodala. She needs to go play, go scope the ball.
What
Mantlwani.
are you teaching her?
Teaching that marriage is life.
What conversations do you guys have?
Yeah, when she goes to school, what conversations
Tell
does
her-
she have with her peers?
With her peers. Chami, ubaba don't join undira something. I'm like, child,
Imagine a
Child.
15-year-old.
child, come on.
A 15-year-old, babuya kachomi. Bari yazi ngiyophekela ubaba. A 15-year-old.
Ubaba.
Ubaba uyeza and then I'm going to cook
Tata.
for.
No, they do
Ntata teng le na o na le nkwekana ko moholo ko mo. Ubitsa ngwana hello
I'm like,
baby.
what
Like,
the
a
hell?
child.
You know, Xhosas and Zulus, they're not far from each other.
Actually, what's happening? What's happening, Mo Fasima?
Lifati has come to an end.
I've seen the other guy. I don't know. He's from America. Lena, he married his child.
What?
Yeah, he
His
married
child.
his child. It's like
Oh,
4 or
and
5
the
years.
income is
Yeah, the child. Straightly the child. We don't know.
But this is not a life
Biological
time.
child.
Biological child. He was
It
like,
has
no,
blood for
Uguti,
blood.
the mother died a long time ago. So
Oh
what?
my God.
So for him, in Rida or Askanyala, the other woman,
He must marry.
And then now that he has married the child,
I don't know what's
the child
happening.
goes over him.
Obviously,
Like a very-
yeah.
They're doing the stepdaughter Shandis.
Everything.
Obviously, he lies and
That
says
wife is supposed
he
to-
lies and says he's not doing anything. But now the child maybe now is like 17, 18. What's
Gee.
happening?
See, they're doing the
Obviously.
stepdaughter Shandis.
Ah,
They're doing the stepdaughter Shandis.
Hi.
you can't marry your
Stuck in the
child.
dryer.
You can't marry other women. Oh.
They're
Imagine.
stuck in the washing machine and my stepdaughter.
Some people are messed up.
I'm sorry.
Are messed
Just imagine things like that.
They are.
So that's why it's so important, Lena, the teachers and what we need to teach our kids.
Okay, we can teach
Even the
children.
signs.
We can teach the children. You know, every state, man, sexual education is very important. Sexual education is very important. And the reason why I say it's important, we have AMA clinics. They host AMA events about sexual, what, intercourse. Like, I described, in intermediate phase, you teach them my body parts. This is my no body part, and this is my no body part as well. And this here is always no. In the Free State, we teach them. We were taught about like sexual intercourse can start at the age of 18 when you're legal enough to enjoy everything that comes with it. you know.
Oh.
But uzela eGauteng, and you try to sit them down, talk to them. Obatshele ukuthi, hey, stop doing sex at a very young age. Stop doing this. Stop doing that. And even if you do, get proper guidance. Go to a OBGYN or something so that you can start having sexual intercourse. Abantwana bala bazokutshela ukuthi ungangitsheli lokho.
Yeah.
Children here, they tell you, don't tell me
There's
that.
someone I know, ne? Very close someone. And she once said, I've got a problem with Umtwana Mama.
Mhm.
I don't know how to talk to her. She's 13.
Yeah.
She's already sleeping out.
Yeah.
Let's go. So now Makoko accepted and the boyfriend is like 32, 33.
So she's
And it's those kids, it's those kids me. You see the boy.
Or like us.
Yeah, so even on Friday, I think I was with Spoku when we dropped the person.
Mhm.
Ne? Then I asked her, where is what your boyfriend thing? Imagine a 13-year-old. Since I have Izolo.
Izolo.
Yeah.
Uyolala
So she's
endotsheni.
spending the whole weekend with an old man.
With an old
it's
man.
normal for them.
It's normal.
Oh my
Magogo
God.
tried.
And she's underage.
Magogo
That
tried.
man can be charged for statutory.
Yes.
And she's drinking.
She drinks.
Like no.
All of
The
it
13-year-old.
once.
Yeah.
Ufedile.
So
Phela
Magogo
siyazi
tried
ukuthi-
and she spoke to me and said, "Ngicela nikhulumele naye." What else can we do? Like if you're namhlulile and then you can't force her to say ubani umrapile. You can take her to London, Bamland, and then Bam question and say, no, she would say it's my boyfriend. This is my kush cash. I give it to whoever I give it to.
The state
can charge them as rape.
The state can charge that man.
Yeah, it can, but like in which terms? Because if that
It's
man,
rape.
if that man has,
Right.
if that
It is
man,
right.
yeah, if that man has a
She's
good
still
lawyer,
a minor.
That child is a minor.
yeah, I'm robber.
Mentally, she's
Yeah.
not fully mature.
Mm-hmm.
So if by reporter, that man can be charged.
True.
Then meaning she needs to report it.
Yes. So the mother, if she can't report it, someone else
Has to do it.
can report that case. But sometimes our police they fail us.
Cold drink is
They fail us.
Go Mr. Cold Drink, yeah.
cold drink.
I had a problem with my daughter. My daughter is now 24 years old.
Mm-hmm.
She started videos like I can't remember whether she was 14 or 18.
I need to make a stage
I
around
think she
those
was
times.
14. Yeah, grade 9. And then one day I was called to school. Apparently they were drinking while it was sports day. Then I went and I said, yo, I don't even know what was 18. At that time I didn't even know what 18 was.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't know. Was it primary or high school?
High school. They didn't grade down here in high school, bro.
And then now I'm asking her, how 18, what is 18? I'm asking the teacher, the deputy principal of our school. What is 18 now? I ask your daughter, I'm 18 now. It's Smirnoff. Yes, now you're drinking Smirnoff.
Who's the vote?
Where did you get money to buy Smirnoff? I imagine if I say carry the whole week.
They put it, yeah.
My friends were, okay, fine. And then now, why am I being called to school? Because you should be punishing her. But no, because corporal punishment. Yes,
The problem,
illegal,
that's the problem about our government now.
Yeah.
That's why you see small kids, no good Kolombatella, they fight with teachers. This is the problem about our
that
government.
reminds
now.
me, in our school day, there was, every Friday when police officers come to high school to check Abantwana. This student, grade 10, thought it was funny or easier, Mashai poison in club.
Imagine.
Straight. And I'm like, bamvalela for a week yonke bamvalela bekabuya esikoleni Friday yesterday.
So government are failure when it comes to the kids now.
Corporal punishment must be back.
Yeah, no, it must be.
Don't
It must be. Like, to be honest, it must be. Kids are fighting our teachers now. And then if you are a teacher, you retaliate. I don't know what
And I got civis. There was another student. I had to spam real life
You
guy at
understand?
school premises, and I'm like,
they say they have rights.
With live ammunition.
like straight gun.
Cause
We
Kolo,
born or
But you're a teacher also.
I'm a teacher, darling, and a
Yeah,
high
we've
school
got two
one at that
teachers.
age.
Yeah. Yeah, well, yeah, no. I
That's
think
all we have for you today.
It's it's that time of
The hour.
it's that hour. Bonang. It was nice today having it was nice having the teachers today and teachers
And I was spooked
and
as well.
you know, it's very, very fun to have people like this because
Yeah.
we'll question and get answers and stuff. But from me to you, Salty, don't forget, like, subscribe, and
And
share.
share.
And hit the
Notification
bell.
bell.
Thanks.
Oh, Shaba.
Bambito. Anyegul Bambito. Yo, the sun going down on you ain't done nothing, but it's just a single point of view for the cum buckets. Sort of moving for the view on some now fuck it. Makes me wanna switch on all of you, move to Nantucket. On some dumb luck shit, I could do the basics. Women always go crazy if you see them naked. Then you and Johnny blazing into people's faces. Read the faces, ain't no humble in this evil matrix. They be waiting on your fumble, you go need a spaceship.